And what's your name, sir?
Hans.
Hans.
Here comes our Ryan.
I'm just right. That's your square there. Now tell me, gentlemen, do you like a drink?
Yes.
Do you drink very often?
Yeah.
Can you handle your drink better than the next man? Do you reckon you've had too much to drink tonight, sir?
I'm not sure.
Okay, we're going to find out how drunk these punters are. So, and your name is? And your name is? And your name is?
Yeah.
And your name is?
Hans.
We're going to call them 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we'll find out if they're drunk or not. Gentlemen, please extend your right hand and your right digit thus. That's the first test so far. Bring that right digit to your nose. Let's go. Fantastic. Drop that hand. Extend your left hand and your left digit thus. Then bring your nose thus. Fantastic. Drop your hand. How did you do?
Pretty well.
How was that for you? Did you manage that, sir?
Yes.
And how about you, sir? Was that okay?
Right.
Fantastic. You'll put two hands out now. Put both hands out. Extend both your digits. Bring them both at the same time, simultaneously to your nose. Go. Fantastic. Drop your hands. Were you on target?
Pretty much.
Did you slip up? Did you slip by?
Yes.
Did you slip off? Where's Miss Jeremy? Okay, now what's happening? We'll try it at the same time, but this time I'll ask you to close your eyes. So close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. Extend your right hand very quickly. Right? Extend your right hand, right finger to your nose, go. Drop your hand, extend your left hand, left digit to your nose, go. Drop your hand, both hands out. Fingers, nose, go. Fantastic. How was that for you?
Pretty good.
Okay, how was that for you? Did you manage that, sir?
Yes.
And you, sir?
Must Germany see me?
Yes, she did. Okay, so what we're doing there, we're testing the spatial acuity. What we'll do now is we'll test their balance. So if you extend both of your hands, please, gentlemen, fine. And what's going to happen if you just put your feet on the line here? Fantastic. And feet shoulder width apart. And what's going to happen, you're going to crouch down like this, not just yet, and then we're going to hold it halfway. We're going to go all the way down, then back up to halfway, and then back up, and we'll see who can handle the gentle, if you excuse the pun. Ready? So, ready? And down, halfway, crouch, touch, hold, engaged, married, 6 kids, divorced, alimony, and all the way down. And halfway up, crouch, touch, hold, 6 kids, married, divorced, alimony, and all the way up. Put your hands down. How was that for you, sir? Did you feel the burn?
Yes.
How was that for you?
Pretty easy.
And how was that for you, sir?
Yeah, pretty easy.
I see you got your dream there. Yes, indeed. Okay, now what's going to happen is that, and I'll just explain. When we did this in Auckland, and the last time we were here in Auckland, what happened is the next bit is about standing still. So it's who can stand the stillest after that exercise. And then what happens is the person who does this, he loses, and the person who stands really stock straight still is the winner, and he gets rewarded, okay? So here we go. You have to do it with your eyes closed. So extend your hands. Ready? Ready? Are you ready? Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Go down to halfway. Ready? Down to halfway. Crouch. Touch. Hold. Engaged. Married. 6 kids. Divorced. Alimony. Separated. And all the way down. And back up to halfway. Crouch. Touch, hold, engaged, married, 6 kids, divorced, and all the way up. Now keep your eyes closed and stand still. It's a standing still competition. And ladies and gentlemen, no matter what happens, I'll ask you to be very, very quiet. Number 1, doing very well. Number 2, not even a tremor. Number 3, coping at this point. Number 4, doing very well. Back to number 1 there. Number 1's doing exceptionally well here. And number 1 here, struggling a little bit. And open your eyes. Open your eyes. How about that? Didn't they do well? Now, number 4. Easy now. Later. Your strap's fallen a bit there, actually. Now, Miss Germany, you're welcome to participate if you wish. Now, what's going to happen, we'll have a little bit of a dancing lesson here. So, easy now. We're going to have a little bit of a dancing lesson, so I'll teach them some steps. First of all, the 하지마. Just try. Well, wonderful Miss Germany. Number 1. Okay, number 2. Right, number 3. And number 4. Okay, well done. Okay, back to the start again. Okay, next time it's the pirouette. Miss Germany. Pirouette. Okay, nicely done. Number 1, the pirouette. Well done, sir. Number 2, the pirouette. Beautiful. Number 3, look at the hands. Did you see that? Number 4, the pirouette. Nice. The next step will, number 4, the next step will require you to follow me. Okay, one at a time. Miss Germany, you'll be first. What's going to happen here is the next step is the arabesque. Miss Germany. Miss Germany, a late cancellation. Here she comes. Here she comes, Miss Germany. Get ready to catch. Here she comes. Beautiful, beautiful, fantastic. Number 1. Here comes. Stroke run up. Beautiful. Number 2. Here he comes. Clear the way. Beautiful. Number 3. Here at the hands once again. Wow. Number 4, stretching. Quite right, number 4. Quite right. On you go, my man. Here comes number 4. Look at that. Okay, now what happens is we are going to do a quick vote, and in the normal fashion we're going to vote to see who was the best. Was it Miss Germany? Sorry, Miss Germany. Was it number 1? Nicely done. Okay, you stay there. Was it number 2? Oh, come on, for goodness sake, it could have been you, sir. It could have been you. I think you did very well, number 2. Number 3, was it number 3? How about that? Could that possibly be number 4? I'll tell you, close the call, man. Close the call. What we'll do is we'll give you a chance now amongst yourselves to do some free-form dancing.
Freestyle.
And we'll vote who's best. So on you go, anytime you like, take it away. Come on then. Hold up. Very quickly, was it number 1? Could it have been number 2? Bloody number 2, what a shame. Could it have been number 3? Are we saving the best for last, ladies and gentlemen? That is the question. Is it number 4? Well, I don't know. I'll tell you what.
Who cares?
It's not, I don't really give a shit, to be honest. We'll give them all a drink. So you give them 1. You give them 1. You give them 2 because you won. You give them 2. And you give them 1. And
On your feet, here we go.
Where's Miss Germany? Miss Germany got 1. Go on then. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I like to oompa oompa. I like to oompa oompa. I like to oompa oompa. I like to. I'm frozen down, frozen down, frozen down. I'm frozen down, frozen down, frozen down. Sing it, sing it, sing it. Sing it, sing it, sing it. Sing it, sing it. very much. Piss off.